The Foxconn Foxtron C is a significant step in Foxconn's push into the electric vehicle market. As a part of Foxconn's larger automotive initiative, the Foxtron C is designed to blend innovative technology with the company's manufacturing expertise. Foxconn, known for producing electronics, has leveraged its background in tech to design a vehicle that aims to compete with other electric cars in terms of performance, tech features, and affordability.
Is all about. But before I introduce the product, I would like to talk about the company, Foxtron. Foxtron was founded in November 2020. We are a subsidiary of Foxconn. In less than 4 years, we have completed the passenger car product line, including B-segment crossover, C-segment SUV, D-segment lifestyle multi-purpose utility vehicles. Thijs is going to tell you more about this in next session. And we had an E-segment sedan. In the E-Bus product line, we have City Bus Model T and Minibus Model U, which Emma will share more with you later as well. These are the reference vehicles that we are providing to our partners for their customizations. Partners can choose their preferred reference design to customize their car. That's what we call CDMS. Under the modular platform, we are able to combine the hardware module flexibly. With the software-defined E architecture, we have the capability to update all the major controllers in our car, achieving configurable hardware through software update. And this allows us to continuously improve user experience during the ownership. Additionally, this capability can also be used for vehicle production. Through the centralized controller, we can detect and confirm that each installed controller is properly assembled and functioning correctly. Let's talk about Model C. In Q1 of this year, Model C was launched in Taiwan. The market response was very good, and it quickly has become one of the best-selling electric cars in Taiwan. With the capability and the market track record now, partners from around the world are coming to seek opportunity for collaborations. Today, I'm excited to introduce our first Model C variant for US market. This is the car we have worked on with our partner from the United States. It is tailored for US market. Maintaining the original size and interior space of the Model C, we have enlarged the very core S-Dot to reduce the wind drag at the front. Additionally, we have optimized the side mirror to further enhance aerodynamic efficiency. With the new design, it gives us a more streamlined and harmonious styling. On the headlights, we have incorporated adaptive driving beam technologies that provides comprehensive illumination in various weather and road conditions. At the charging interface, we have also adopted NACS standard. This aligns the vehicle with the best charging network support in US. In the design for the interiors, we have increased the use of soft touch materials and utilized ambient lighting to create a package suitable for the US market. The new steering wheel design incorporates rollers and physical buttons to make it more intuitive to use. On the central display, we have adopted an independent floating design. This allows us to have a larger and more convenient space in the front cabin. That should always give you a delightful drive. In the user interface, we collaborated with the team in the US to design a UI that meets the needs of the market. I would like to talk some more about this UI. Because the digital experience in the vehicles are very different from other devices. We explore countless concepts and approaches, all leading to the desire for a clear and simple interface. In addition to the digital changes, we introduce physical buttons which communicates feedback to the driver more precisely, improving safety with the flexibility of touchscreen functions. The Model C, designed together with our American partners, specifically for the US market, we are launching at the end of 2025. Stay tuned. Thank you.